These breakfast potatoes are simple, flavorful, and absolutely satisfying. You can have it with your eggs, bacon, sausage, and even alongside your Trini saltfish. Stay tuned and see how I make it. So these are my potatoes. I diced them really small and I boiled them in some broth. I used chicken broth. You can use vegetable broth also. That adds some flavor, and I mix the broth with water. But you don't want to boil that too soft. You want it to stay firm because you're still going to be frying it up. So these are the vegetables I'm going to use. It's onions and peppers. So now I'm going to add in some oil to my skillet. This is some avocado oil. You can use whatever oil, olive oil, vegetable oil, whatever oil you prefer. And then I'm going to add in a piece of butter. I put the oil first because I don't want the butter to burn. So now I'm putting the butter in there, and once that is melted out, I'm going to start adding in the onions. Oops, I got a little few pieces of peppers in there, but that's okay because it's all going to get mixed up together. So you're going to saute this onion for about 2 minutes, and then we're going to add in the peppers. So for my peppers, I use multicolored bell peppers because that'll make it really pretty. And I also have some jalapeno peppers for some heat. That is optional. You don't have to put in the jalapeno peppers. And I will leave the measurement for all of the ingredients that I'm using here down in the description. So now I'm adding in the peppers. I know I had the peppers and the onions together in the same bowl, so there's like, it's kind of got a little mixed together, but it's okay because it's all going to saute together. But what you can do is just keep them separate. I just had them together just to save time. We're doing dishes and stuff, but it really doesn't matter. It will still get nice and soft. It was just a few little pieces. I'm adding in a little more butter because I feel like it's a little dry. You can add in some butter. That will give it extra flavor, or you can add in more oil. It's up to you. I add in both. And now I'm going to just saute these up. You want the vegetables to get nice and soft because you don't want to have to cook your potatoes too much because you already cooked the potatoes in that delicious broth. So once this is all nice and soft, we're going to season it up and put in some salt. I also put in some black pepper, some garlic powder, and I also have a garlic and herb seasoning that I use. It's from Kinder. I'm going to use that also. And what you pretty much do in here is just seasoning up your vegetable. So when you put the potatoes in there, you don't have to put too much seasoning because you want to taste it. It's, to taste. So what you're going to do is put whatever seasoning you want to put in here. If you have some type of all-purpose seasoning that you like, you could put that in there. But definitely put the garlic powder. That will bring in a nice flavor in your breakfast potatoes. But as I said, use whatever you have. You don't have to use what I use. I just use these, season the Kinder. That's the Kinder. That's what I use. But you can use whatever seasoning you want, whatever all-purpose seasoning or seasoning salt, whatever. So you're gonna make sure that you taste your potatoes, and you will be able to adjust. If you want more heat in there, you could add some pepper flakes. I added the jalapeno, and I still added some pepper flakes because we like spicy food, so that doesn't bother us. But as I said, that's optional. So now you're gonna add in the potatoes, and what you're gonna do is just toss this up in all that peppers and onions, and just make sure the potatoes get completely coated with all of the veggies. And once that is completely coated, you're gonna let it fry up for fry it up for about 2 minutes. And once you do that, your potatoes will be done because we boiled this already. It's already soft, so you don't have to go getting it too mushy. So just fry it up. You know, when you go to those diners and stuff, they always have these potatoes. These are one of my favorite breakfast dishes. And the thing is, you could eat this with saltfish. If you have, you know, some saltfish buljol, you could eat this, you know, have your potatoes and have your buljol. I tried that and it's really good. So, you know, it is typically eaten, you know, with eggs and bacon and waffles and all that stuff, you know, American style. But, you know, you can eat this with whatever you like because it's a starch, it's a, you know, very hearty meal. So, you know, you could eat it with whatever protein or whatever you want to eat it with. But I really hope that you guys try this recipe. Please like, subscribe, and share this video. And always remember, my food is cooked with passion and served with love. God bless. Bye.